The Galaxy Watch Ultra most surely inherits certain concepts from the Apple Watch Ultra. However, it's also not quite fair to label this as an Apple Watch Ultra imitation, since Samsung adds some original elements here to set the Watch Ultra apart, especially for Android users. First comes the Bioactive Sensor. It tracks body composition, ECG, and normal heart rate, but can now measure something known as AGEs and is 30% more accurate. Advanced Glycation End Products, or AGEs, are essentially a window into how your nutrition and way of life impact your aging process. This can be a useful prod to change your workout or nutrition to maybe avoid later health problems. One other improvement is storage. At 32 GB, the Watch Ultra boasts double the space of its predecessor. At 15 watts, charging is faster than it has ever been, decreasing charging time by practically half. The Watch Ultra should thus take just 45 minutes if the Watch 5 Pro takes 90 minutes for complete charging. For smartwatches, battery life is crucial, so the Watch Ultra offers the highest one yet for Android wearables at 590 mAh. Samsung says, with power-saving mode on, you may squeeze up to 100 hours out of it. At 3000 nits, the Watch Ultra's display is the brightest among Galaxy watches. Actually, Samsung is running a fantastic pre-order promotion for the Watch Ultra and Watch 7. Should you pre-order now, you will immediately get $50 off, a free band, up to $350 in trade-in credit, 10% off with Samsung's school discount, and 25% off when you bundle with the Fold 6, Flip 6, S24, Tabs 9, or Galaxy Book 4. The Watch Ultra can next identify sleep apnea. This is the disorder whereby you momentarily cease breathing during sleep. Should the watch identify an anomaly, your phone will get an alert. Given this is an industry-wide first, that is rather significant. The watch now features a fresh button known as the Quick button. Press it as the name implies to rapidly start or stop exercises. Like the Action button on the Apple Watch Ultra, it may be modified to launch various apps and complete varied activities, depending on context. Regarding the Rapid button, should you require an 85 decibel siren for some reason, then holding it for 5 seconds will activate it. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.